In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import in Odoo. Importing data into Odoo is usually very straightforward, especially when the platform provides a built-in template for the type of information you want to bring in. Using the official template is important because it helps make sure your file is formatted correctly, which reduces errors and saves time during the import process. For this example, we're going to import CRM data into Odoo. This is a good example because the process is simple, and once you understand it here, you'll recognize the same workflow in other Odoo apps that support importing. Start by opening Odoo and going into the CRM section. Once you're there, look toward the top left area of the screen and click the gear icon. This menu gives you access to additional actions related to the current view, including the option to bring data into the system. From that menu, select Import. This will open the import screen where Odoo lets you upload a file and prepare it for processing. Before uploading anything, click Download Template. This step is especially helpful because the template is already structured the way Odoo expects. Rather than guessing which columns to include or how to label them, you can simply enter your CRM data into the provided file. After filling out the template with your information, return to the import screen and drag the completed file into the upload area. You can also upload it manually if needed, but dragging it into the box is usually the quickest option. Once the file is added, Odoo will begin reading it, so you can move forward with the import. At this point, your data is essentially ready to be brought into the system. The key takeaway is that using the template makes the process much easier and helps avoid formatting issues. If your import is supported in Odoo, this same general method applies across many other tools as well. In other words, whether you're working in CRM or another module, you'll often go to the relevant section, open the gear menu, choose Import, download the template, complete it, and upload the file. So if you ever need to import data into Odoo, remember to start with the built-in template whenever it's available. It keeps the process cleaner, faster, and more reliable. That's all for this video.